Hi, welcome back to the short tutorial. In this video, I will teach you how to do stop motion on the TikTok. So right now it's very trending on the TikTok, how you can create a video like this. Watch this video till the end, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to open your TikTok mobile application and log into your account. Once you will do it, here you will see plus icon, so just click on it. Okay, once you will do it, your camera is opened. Here you will see effect option, just click on it. Now here you will see a search bar, you have to click on it, and after that in the search bar you have to search for the stop motion. Once you will search for the stop motion, on the top you will get a effect, so simply you have to click on it, and after that you can easily create a video on this effect like this. So this is the simple way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.